Hope you started experiencing the magic of Devan Tattva Yoga. Along with 8 walking, these exercises proves magical. Even if you do this exercise alone, it is efficient. Actually, I learned Jeevan Tattva Yoga from Mr. Ram Kishore in Mauritius, who was the then yoga trainer under the Minister of Foreign Affairs Mission High Commission of India. He was official trainer for Air India. He always insists in doing the Jeevan Tattva asanas regularly, even if you fail to do any other asanas. Doing these 7 exercises consistently will make you energetic and free from all physical problems. Today, we are going to learn the next exercises in this series. The next exercise in this series is Bal Machalan. It resembles the natural movements of an infant when it weeps lying on the ground or shows resentment against something. This posture is just an imitation of the above motion performed in an orderly manner. Only thing to be careful when you do Bal Machalan is you have to raise your head a little up while doing this cycling exercise. Watch the video for better understanding. To start, it can be repeated 20 to 30 times and you can do as long as you wish. The benefit of this exercise is it tones the whole body, regulates blood circulation, ensures normal BP levels, reduces bulk of the body and keeps us very active. After doing the exercise for the prescribed number of times, rest yourself in Shavasana. Keep your feet apart, keep your hands away from the body, close your eyes, relax completely and breathe deeply. Continue Shavasana for 1 minute. Nadi Sanchalan. This is the next exercise in this series. Sit erect on the ground with the 2 legs stretched apart 1 meter distance between them. Now hold the respective toes with 2 hands, then move the hands sideways in a circular motion touching the alternate toes, that is right hand touching the left and the left hand touching the right. To start, continue 21 to 50 numbers. But if you feel exhausted, you can stop at any point. The benefit of this exercise is this process purifies the blood and other fluids in the whole body by eliminating the waste, keeps the body trim, spine sturdy, disc in position and condition, reduces extra fats and controls BP. It is good for ladies in the early stages of pregnancy. After doing the exercise for the prescribed number of times, rest yourself in Shavasana. Shushka Nyoli. This is the next exercise in this series. Sit cross-legged on the ground. Keep the spine erect. Move the right shoulder in a circular direction. After raising it towards the ear, a similar rotary motion is given to the other shoulder also. Simultaneous and alternate movements are also given to the shoulders, clockwise and anti-clockwise direction as shown in the video. Examine the video for better understanding. Continue it for 3-4 rotation and again you can do 2-3 more exercises for the shoulders as shown in the video. This improves digestion power, purifies blood, it improves the functioning of lungs and proves fatal for the cough producing germs. If practiced for a month or 2, one gets rid of even dangerous diseases is what studied by medical practitioners. It is important for ladies to avoid doing these exercises during the first 3 days of their periods. From 4th day, even if there is bleeding, they can do these exercises as this will improve the gynec conditions and limit the bleeding within 5 to 6 days. Don't experiment with doing these exercises during the first 3 days as this will increase the blood flow and so the bleeding will increase tremendously. Pregnant ladies should never do these exercises, but feeding mothers can do these exercises so that production of milk and the quality of milk will improve. Drink plenty of water the whole day, as these exercises increase the blood circulation and hence the purification process. Your kidneys need more water to purify your blood. If the water intake is less, this leads to urinary infection, which is the only after effect of these exercises. So drink plenty of water, eat sattvic food, and get ready for the new beginning. Thank you. Wait for my next video after 4-5 days.